Hi Sunburst friends, it's me, Miss Hilary, and today I have my helper Tesla. She's going to help me read one of your favorite books. Don't push the button. This is one of Tesla's favorites too. Are we ready? Okay. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Okay. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. One more time. One more time. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Hurry. Whole bunch. Bunch more. Bunch more. Oh, man. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Shake the book to get rid of all the extra layers. Ready? Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Almost. A little more. Shake it again. Nope. We gotta shake more.
Shake,
Shake.
shake, shake, shake.
Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, scratch.
Scratch, scratch.
Hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this book. We'll see you guys soon. Bye. Tell 'em bye.
Bye.